Are you a hypnotherapist or a healer, or you are a life coach or doing coaching or training programs, or you are in a sales and marketing, or you do presentation every day? So my friend, many times this happens with hypnotherapists and coaches that the result we want we are not getting because we are not able to get into the subconscious mind of your listener, your spectators, your the people who come for therapy, or your coaches, or your client. Now my friend, hypnosis is a very powerful tool to get into the subconscious mind. My friend, the usual method what we use normally in sales, marketing and coaching, it works sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't work because sometimes the person rejects what you are saying. Now there is a very powerful thing, my friend, called hypnotic language patterns, developed by Milton H. Erickson. When the people used to come for therapy who are not getting a result, suddenly he started using the hypnotic language pattern when they were wide awake and alert. And he, using that specific language pattern, he sent messages and programming to the subconscious mind and start getting instant result. Now, hypnotic language pattern is a very, very powerful tool. My friend, I am PRADEEP Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching hypnosis in 1977. And my friend, I used to collect a lot of language pattern and started using in my training, my videos, in my presentations, even in my introductory talk, which I used to do 20 years back, almost every day when I was conducting my hypnosis workshop. I used to conduct a very powerful hypnotic language pattern. Now, what hypnotic language pattern does? Conversation, it's called conversational hypnosis also. So, conversational hypnosis consists of language pattern. Conversational hypnosis is the art of speaking change into your client's life without needing a formal hypnotic state. Remember, the message goes into subconscious mind directly, bypassing the critical factor in the conscious mind. Now that's what we all need. We need to program subconscious mind. My friend, I have a question for you. You might have gone to purchase something and you had not decided to buy it actually. Just for the window shopping, you enter a shop. There was a salesperson. He gave you a presentence and the benefits of the product in such a way, you started picturing in your mind unconsciously. You started visualizing the benefit of the things and you end up buying it. Why? The salesperson did something with your subconscious mind. Send you a direct pictures in your mind, the benefit of directly in your subconscious mind, you started visualizing, already getting it. That's called waking hypnosis. The language pattern works in the same way. It's called conversational hypnosis. So my friend, what the conversational hypnosis can do for you? Conversational hypnosis, first thing it will do for you is, you will never feel stuck to what to say during a hypnotic session or a sales or presentations. The powerful language patterns create instant trance, instant wide awake trance. Means the person listening to you with the eyes closed, but what you are doing is you are making the picture and feel certain things using the powerful hypnotic words and language. Then you speak like a professional hypnotist, unlock your hypnotic language generator and radiate confidence and never get stuck again. These techniques are very, very powerful, my friends. Language patterns are very, very fast. Now, what this language pattern does? Stimulate the imagination of the listeners. So when you're talking in a particular state, particular style, use particular words, these are hypnotic words and language patterns that stimulate their imagination. You make them imagine things when they feel that they are doing it. Distract them. If they are thinking something negative or they are thinking about objections or anything in sales and marketing, you distract them and put the powerful language pattern into their subconscious mind and make them visualize. Now, painting pictures in their mind. That's right, my friend. You paint pictures in their mind about the benefit of your products or the therapy or the benefit they want to come for you for therapy. Create association, activate all your senses. Remember, when we do hypnosis, if you can activate all the senses, see, hear, feel, smell and taste, they are into automatically deep state of hypnosis without any formal induction. Linking two things that would normally is not useful, like cool as a cucumber. What do you mean by cool as a cucumber? But you get the picture, what does it mean? Cool and cucumber is no connection, right? So my friend, these are techniques are very, very powerful, and what this technique does basically is, it does drop people into waking trance anywhere at any time, charms others into following your hidden suggestions. Why hidden suggestions? Language patterns is a hidden way of giving suggestions, a special way using it. Sell like a superstar to more customers at higher prices. Rid people of fear, phobias, and remove their bad habits. Motivate to get their act together at work. Sway rigid mind. You get some rigid mind when you are working on the people. There's some rigid mind to accept your point of view with no resistance. And finally, be in total control of your life from now on. You can convince, influence, and motivate others to comply with your request while they get what they want. They are getting what they want, but they are complying to your suggestions. Very slicky, interesting, sneaky thing, my friend. Hypnotic language pattern is a very powerful tool, and what does it do when you're learning? You gain unshakable confidence. You can improve your relationship, sell without being pushy, get your way to being likable, and command respect without any aggression, naturally draw people to you. Now my friend, these language patterns are very, very powerful. I have been working on this language pattern since 1977, and I was using this language pattern in my training, in my hypnosis therapy, in my, when I'm going to give presentations on try to sell my products, or when I was doing my introductory talk from 91 to 2000. I used to do every week 2-day workshop on hypnosis for self-improvement, and I used to do 4 to 5 days of introductory talk, and I used to use this language pattern in my introductory talk. When I talk about it many times, when I think about it and I feel, I start laughing also. I want to give you an example. When I give my introductory talk, at the end of the talk, when after giving all the benefit, I used to tell them by changing my tonality. I tell them, as all of you sitting over here today in this introductory talk, now you know the benefit of this workshop. And tonight, when you're going back home, these benefits will keep moving into your mind, and you keep picturing in your mind, already attended this workshop and getting benefit out of it. And tonight when you lie down on your bed, the moment your head touches the pillow or mattress, you will start thinking about the benefit automatically. And you will start visualizing yourself already attended your workshop, even visualize yourself 1 year has been passed and how successful your life has become. And then tomorrow when you wake up, you'll find yourself talking to your friends and family members about this introductory talk, benefit of hypnosis, and how it can change your life. You can understand, my friend? Then the last and very important thing I used to do, and I used to have a lot of fun with that, I used to tell them, when you go back home, every time my voice will be inside your head. You'll be hearing all the benefit as if I'm talking to you. And then wonderful thing used to happen, my friend. I was surprised. Many times people used to come and meet me, sir, I want to register right now. Please remove your voice from my head. Now this is what? By using a special tonality, embedded command. They are very, very powerful techniques you will learn. So I have created a very powerful 21-day WhatsApp workshop, video workshop, where you will learn more than 50 powerful phrases and words with the explanation, with the examples. And then we'll give you a PDF of, with each example, at least 5 to 10 more examples for therapy and sales. Then you can use it from the day 1, my friend. And from day 1, you start having fun, you start making more money, you start healing more people easily and comfortably, and more people started liking you and trusting you more, because you are getting connected. You are getting connected with their subconscious mind, my friend, directly with their eyes open, with their wide open, and you're getting them into a deep, hypnotic, eye-open trance. So my friend, imagine when you learn this technique, language pattern, how quickly you started relieving and helping your clients to come out of their problem. Whether you are doing a hypnotherapist or you do any other kind of therapy, you use Reiki, pranic healing or any kind of healing, when you started combining this hypnotic language pattern, powerful hypnotic language pattern, what will happen? You start healing people much, much faster. If you're in sales and marketing, you start closing more sales and start making more money. Yes, you want to make more money? Yes, when you become successful. If you are a presenter, if you are giving a presentation and talks, you can influence people with using a very powerful hypnotic language pattern, and they start imagining and picturing in their mind the benefit of your products. So my friend, imagine how successful your life will become when you start using this language pattern in your day-to-day conversation. My friend, it's a very powerful tool, very first time and very last time. Yes, very first time and very last time I'm teaching this technique because I kept all this technique and tools for my own purpose so far. Now I'm 55 years old, so now I realize that this thing should go to everyone. I spent thousands of dollars learning this technique, travel, learn from the top people, and then I have identified some very powerful words and things which I use it normally. You are getting more than 50. Remember, you don't need all 50, but you need to learn all 50 and pick up which is useful for you and then make your own, because you will learn how to make your own also there. So it's a very powerful tool, my friend. If you really want to become successful in your life, you want to become a powerful healer, you want to become a powerful hypnotist, and you want to become successful hypnotist, a salesperson, want to make more money, this is the course for you, my friend. Now listen carefully, my friend. I still remember, I want to share with you specific language pattern. When I used to hypnotize people, I asked them a very powerful hypnotic question. I asked them, do you want to get hypnotized in a second or less? They will get confused. They say, in a second. Then I said, deeply or very deeply. They don't know what deeply means. They said, deeply. Now what I've done here is, I use a very specific hypnotic language with them. They think they got a choice. But what is the choice? A second or less than a second? What is the choice? No choice. Am I right? Deeply or very deeply. That means no light and medium, only deep. And they think they got a choice. This is the power of hypnotic language, my friend. I just gave you an example how you use it, and you can also use it. It's very simple and easy to do. Just spend some time practicing and using it. So my friend, if you really master hypnotic language pattern, this is the course for you. This course may not available again. This course I have spent and collected material more than, you won't believe, my friend, more than $50,000 I spent on them. Now, I have collected and practiced, and I have selected some very powerful words and language pattern to give it to you. Normally, this kind of course I will never give it to anybody. Now, when I decided, now I'm 65, I don't want to keep everything with me, so I said I'll let this thing goes to everybody. Now, this course is not $50,000 or not even 50,000 rupees, not 10,000, not even 5,000. It is only 1,200 plus GST, which come to 1416 rupees only. And this is a video course. You will get all the PDFs, plus as a bonus, you will get a 33 specific words, power words for sales. Yes, which you can use it in your website. You can use it when you are talking to somebody. Very, very powerful words, especially 33 words you will get as a bonus if you register in time. So my friend, if you really want to become successful, you really want to become a powerful hypnotist, you really want to, change your life and make more money, this is the course for you. So click on the link below, register right now, use RazorPay. Only the amount is 1416. RazorPay, credit card you can use it, you can Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe also available there. Or if you're out of India, my friend, you can use the PayPal link is already given there. It is only $30, $30 from PayPal. Now whatever you do, remember to send us your screenshot with your WhatsApp number. Once you get the WhatsApp number, we will add you in the main WhatsApp group, and then you will get lessons every day, 21 working days, and then at the end of the course, you will get a Google Drive link. So you can download the whole thing. and practice regularly, and each and every day you become more and more successful. So register right now, my friend, and see you inside. All the best.